In this video, I'll be showing you how to redeem gift cards on your Lazada wallet or on your Lazada. Well, first, I want you to click the Account tab on the navigation bar. And once you click this, you will see your account interface. So basically, you can't find the gift card button directly in this page. So you need to scroll a little until you see your Lazada wallet, which is this. So make sure that you have already activated your Lazada wallet before redeeming a gift card because that's the basic requirement of redeeming a gift card. So click this and then you will see the Lazada gift card icon here, which is this blue wallet icon. Now click it. And here you just need to input the code or the Lazada gift card code here and just click the redeem button. And there you will now receive the rewards that you're expecting from Lazada. And that's it. That's how you can redeem gift cards on Lazada easily. And thank you for listening.